Hey, listeners! Welcome to your podcast for easy and clear listening to help you grow your English skills. I'm here to bring you fun topics that make learning English exciting. Today, we're tackling a big question. Why can't we drop bad beliefs? This episode is perfect for B1 learners who want to practice English and learn about how our minds hold on to ideas that aren't good for us. I think this topic is super cool because it helps us understand ourselves better. So, listen slowly and let's dive into this fascinating idea. We all have beliefs about ourselves and the world around us. Some beliefs are great, like thinking you can learn new skills or be a good friend. But some beliefs are bad, like thinking you're not smart, not good at your job, or not likable. These bad beliefs can make you feel sad, scared, or stop you from trying new things. Why is it so hard to let go of them? Let's explore why we hold on to bad beliefs and how we can start to change them. A long time ago, in the 1800s, doctors had big problems with surgeries. Surgeries were very painful, and many patients got sick and died from infections. A dentist found a special gas called anesthesia. It made patients sleep during surgery, so they didn't feel any pain. I think this was a brilliant idea because it made surgeries easier for patients and doctors. In less than a year, doctors all over the world started using anesthesia. They could see it worked right away. Patients were calm, and surgeries went smoothly. It was like a magic trick, and everyone wanted to use it. But infections were still a big problem. A doctor named Joseph Lister had a new idea. He said, doctors should wash their hands and clean their tools before surgery. This could stop infections and save lives. But for many years, doctors didn't listen. They kept using dirty hands and tools, and many patients died. Why couldn't they drop their old ideas? I think it's because cleaning was hard work. It took time, and the results weren't easy to see right away. Unlike anesthesia, where you could see patients sleep instantly, clean hands didn't show quick results. So, doctors held on to their bad beliefs, even though they were wrong and hurt people. This teaches us something important. We often keep bad beliefs because they feel right, even if they're not true. Our feelings are stronger than facts sometimes. For example, if you believe you're bad at speaking English, you might feel nervous when you try to talk. Maybe you make a small mistake, and this makes you think, see, I'm not good at this. But you might actually be doing fine. It's like a circle. Your belief makes you act in a way that makes the belief seem true. I think this happens to a lot of people, and it traps us in bad ideas. Why do bad beliefs start? They often come from things we see or feel. For example, if you fail a test at school, you might think, I'm not smart. If you make a mistake at work, like forgetting a task, you might believe you're bad at your job. Or if someone says something mean, like, you're not funny, you might start to believe it. These moments make the belief grow stronger every time you notice another mistake. For example, if you think you're not good at making friends, you might avoid talking to people at a party. Then, you feel lonely, and this makes you believe even more that you're bad at making friends. I think it's easy to fall into this trap because we focus on the bad moments. So, how can we drop bad beliefs? It's not easy, but there are steps we can take. The first step is to ask yourself, why do I believe this? For example, if you think you're not good at your job, what makes you think that? Maybe you made one mistake, like sending an email late, or someone said something unkind. I think being honest with yourself is really important. If answering this question makes you feel a little uncomfortable, that's a good sign. It means you're starting to see the truth. The second step is to check if those reasons are really true. Sometimes we believe things based on small or unclear reasons. For example, if you think you're not smart because you failed one test, ask, does one test mean I'm not smart? Maybe you were tired that day, or the test was very hard. One failure doesn't mean you're not smart. Maybe you did well on other tests, or helped a friend with their homework. I think checking these reasons helps you see things in a new way, like opening a window to let fresh air in. The third step is to find new proof for better beliefs. Instead of thinking about mistakes, look for times when you did something well. For example, if you believe you're bad at English, think about a time when you said something correctly, like ordering food at a restaurant, or when you understood a song or a TV show. Maybe you helped a friend with a problem, or did a great job on a project at work. These moments are like little treasures. They show you're better than you think. I think finding these treasures can make you feel stronger and more confident. Changing beliefs takes time, like learning to ride a bike or play a game. You try, you fall, and you try again. Doctors took many years to accept Joseph Lister's idea about washing hands. They started slowly, cleaning tools, then washing hands, then wearing clean clothes. Over time, they saw it worked, and it saved lives. Now, every doctor knows cleaning is important. I think we can do the same with our beliefs. If we keep asking questions, checking reasons, and finding new proof, we can let go of bad beliefs and build better ones. To finish, bad beliefs are hard to drop because they come from our feelings, not just facts. They grow stronger when we act in ways that support them. But we can break this cycle. Ask why you believe something, check if those reasons are true, and find new proof for better beliefs. This takes time, but it helps us feel better and try new things without fear. I think it's worth trying because it can make life happier. Thank you for listening to Learn English today. I hope this slow and clear episode helped you practice your English and think about dropping bad beliefs. Share it with a friend. Keep practicing, keep learning, and see you next time.